have to
एक काम
in
करेंगे
present tense
एक
have
को
to
डेटिंग
use
हाउस
to
को
talk
पास ऑन
about
करना है एक निकाल दे बाकी पास ऑन
obligation or something like a piece of advice
पीछे दे
or
दीजिए
something that is necessary to do. Like I have to finish the work that tells us about the necessity, and you have to wait for us at the railway station that tells us about the obligations. Talking about the structure, have to is followed by a word. You may think of it as an infinitive. The structure is like subject plus auxiliary verb plus have to infinitive. In the positive tense, auxiliary verbs have to be used as an auxiliary verb. So you have no need to use any sort of auxiliary verb with have to. But in case of negative and interrogative sentences, you need to use have to. Like he didn't have to wear a uniform. In that form, you use the auxiliary verb didn't. And in the interrogative sentence, they have to be invited for the dinner. In the positive sentences, we use have to. With the third person singular, we use has to. And in past tenses, we use had to. And in future tenses, we usually don't use will sentence will form of auxiliary verb with have to. For example, you don't have to eat this. You can if you want to, but it is necessary.
Alright, overall it's quite good. Just try to do it for a reference. It's a good idea to say one sentence in Urdu so that they understand what actually you are saying. But the handout is very great. Thank you. Next please.